Hey everybody, I got a package in the mail from American Classic Grooming Company. I actually made a purchase a little while back and I just got in the mail today, December 18th. And I purchased the oil and butter, but looks like the package, looks like he may have sent me a few extra things. So we're gonna open this up and see what's in here. All right, get out my trusty knife. You know, I like these skulls. That's a pretty cool knife, but even it has skulls on the blade, so that's pretty cool. But we're gonna open this up, see what we're getting into, and of course I'm gonna start testing out these products. So as soon as this video is done, I'm gonna go strip my beard, because I always strip my beard right before I start reviewing a new company, because I want to make sure my beard is completely stripped out, free of products from any other thing. And I've never tried American Classic Grooming Company before, so this is my first time. So got a little bubbly in here. Let me first show you what's here. Got a little nice little package there, nice little, I think, bubble wrapped up. And got a couple of stickers. So a couple of stickers here, it's pretty cool. And a little postcard, so awesome. Awesome. He says, David, I hope you enjoy these. Merry Christmas to you and Carlos. Shade. Awesome, awesome. All right, so one of the things we got in here is the Daily Beard Wash, Effie, and the Effie scent. So that's cool. And it's an 8-ounce beard wash. All right, the other thing here is Ride the Lightning beard butter. This is awesome. As a matter of fact, let's go over the scents. I'm not gonna really, I'm gonna smell them, but I'm not gonna let you know what I think of about, because that's gonna come to the review. Oh, it actually has a little thing on here, so that's awesome to see. A little protective layer on here. Right, so Effie for the beard wash. For the beard wash was a calming lavender and bright clementine citrus. So that's definitely a good scent for the shower. And Ride the Lightning is leather, Egyptian musk with crisp cologne vibes. And you know, anything with leather, you know I'm gonna like, because leather is one of my favorite scents. So I definitely did like it. And the other one is Sharp Dressed Man. Sharp Dressed Man is apple and Egyptian vanilla smashed into a cologne only a sharp dressed man would wear. Very nice, very nice. All right, and another guy is Effie, the beard butter, which again, that was a calming lavender and bright clementine citrus. That's definitely going to smell good in the shower, for sure, for that beard wash. Awesome. Then we got the beard oil here. All right, got the beard oil and the Effie scent. Cool. And beard oil and Ride the Lightning. And the beard oil and Sharp Dressed Man. All right, so again, I just want to say thank you, Shade, for sending out the extras there. I really appreciate it. Definitely going to start reviewing this product right away. I'm going to actually go strip my beard right this video, get it nice and clean, start testing out these products. Then, of course, once I'm through with that, put out a video and let y'all know what I think about all this, how well it formed in my beard, the scents, and what I think of his website. Because I always look at the websites of brand new companies too. But actually, so far, we'll quick look at his website. Actually, pretty good. Actually, nice, crisp, clean website as well. So, overall, definitely can't wait to try these products out and come out with a review and let y'all know. So, there it is. So again, thank you, Shade, and I appreciate it. And again, Keep your stashes and beards healthy. Till next video.